Hello everyone. So in this video we're going to learn about the community inside Obsidian. Now obviously if you're using Obsidian, so you are a part of a community, and this community will give you some more tips and guides, and if you have any questions regarding the Obsidian you can add them here. So you go to the obsidian.md, which is the official website, and here you're gonna click on community. And once you click on community you have two options. One is to join the Obsidian Discord chat. Obviously you're gonna have to install Discord application on your system, or you can just use the online version, or you can choose to click on Obsidian form and you click on visit, and the website or the page is going to open, and here you can see the official announcement, some updates, and help if you have any questions. Like this guy is asking where are all my Obsidian files are stored. If you face any bugs, you can come here and log in or sign up and then type a bug you encountered. Maybe you want to have a future request to be available in the upcoming updates. If you have some plugin ideas, some knowledge management about some stuff, what is the difference between folders and tags and virtual folders and smart folders, whatever. If you're a developer, you have an API or request for an API, if an idea of an API, and so on. They have some mobile app coming soon, and here people are asking for some features to be available in these mobile apps, and some frequently asked questions, and bug graveyard, which is some bugs were encountered and now it's resolved, and so on. So it's straightforward Obsidian community. If you are really into these things, you can just come here and join it and ask questions and follow the updates. So you have this form and you have the Discord chat here. So I'll see you in the next video. So if you are interested in buying the full course, you'll find two courses in Obsidian on Udemy. The first one is Learn Obsidian from Scratch. In this course, I'm going to teach the fundamentals of Obsidian. And the second course is going to be Improve Your Productivity Using Obsidian. So you have these two courses. It's only $30, and I will leave a link in the description below with a discount. So if you are interested, you can buy the full course in a discount. And I will see you in the next video.